This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we are given a string as an input and our task is to replace the characters present in the string. So as per the question, first our task is to find 5 characters. So the 5 characters are first lowercase consonant and then first occurring uppercase consonant and then first occurring lowercase vowel and then first occurring uppercase vowel and then first digit. So we will be given a string as an input which contains all of these characters. So first we have to find those characters. So first let us find the first lowercase consonant. So the character S is uppercase, so we should not consider this. And then the next character, it is a lowercase and the character K is also a consonant. So the first lowercase consonant is equal to K. And then first uppercase consonant. So now the first character is S and it is uppercase and the character S is also a consonant. So our first uppercase consonant is S. And now the first lowercase vowel. So the first character is uppercase, so it is not considered. And then the second character is a lowercase, but it is not a vowel. So we move to the next character. And then the next character is I. So the character I is a lowercase and it is also a vowel. So the first occurring lowercase vowel is I. And then the first uppercase vowel. So again the first character is uppercase but it is not a vowel. And then the second character, it is lowercase and then I is lowercase and then L both are lowercase and then 7 it is a digit and then E. So the character E is uppercase and it is also a vowel. So the first occurring uppercase vowel is E. And now finally the first occurring digit. So the first occurring digit in this string is 7. So this is the first occurring digit. So we store 7 separately. So these are all the 5 characters which we have found. So the first lowercase consonant is K and then first uppercase consonant is S and then first lowercase vowel is I and then first uppercase vowel is E and then first occurring digit is 7. So these are the 5 characters which we have found. So now we have to replace the characters in the string using these 5 characters. So let us see what we are doing. So now we shall start replacing all the characters as per the conditions given in the question. So it is given in the question that if a character is a lowercase consonant, then it must be replaced with the first occurring lowercase consonant. Similarly, if the character is an uppercase consonant, it must be replaced with the first occurring uppercase consonant. So like this, for all the characters must be replaced as per its conditions. So if it is a lowercase vowel, it must be replaced with the first occurring lowercase vowel. And then if it is a uppercase vowel, it must be replaced with the first occurring uppercase vowel. And if it is a digit, then it must be replaced with the first occurring digit. So let us start replacing the characters as per the conditions. So the first character is S. So it is a uppercase and it is a consonant. So this character must be replaced with the first occurring uppercase consonant. And the first occurring uppercase consonant is S itself. So the first character will remain as such. And then the second character is K. So it is a lowercase character and it is a consonant. So it must be replaced with first occurring lowercase consonant. Again it is K itself, so it remains as such. And then the next character is I. So it is a lowercase and it is a vowel. So the first occurring lowercase vowel is I. So the third character also remains as such. And now L. So it is a lowercase and it is a consonant. So the first occurring lowercase consonant is K. So these characters L must be replaced with K and K. And now digit. So the character is a digit. So the first occurring digit is 7 itself. So it remains as such. And then the character E. So it is a uppercase character and it is a vowel. So the first occurring uppercase vowel is E. So E remains as such. And then 3. So it is a digit. The first occurring digit is 7. So 3 is replaced with 7. And now R. So it is a uppercase and it is a consonant. So the first occurring uppercase consonant is S. So R must be replaced with S. And now A. So the character A is a lowercase and it is a vowel. So the first occurring lowercase vowel is I. So A must be replaced with I. And now C. So the character C is a lowercase and it is a consonant. So the first occurring lowercase consonant is K. So we replace it with K. And then character K itself. So it is a lowercase and it is a consonant. So it must be replaced with K. And now 5 and 7. So both are digits. So it must be replaced with 7, 7. And now the character T, O, O. So the character T is a uppercase and it is a consonant. So the first occurring uppercase consonant is S. So the T must be replaced with S. And then the last two characters O are uppercase and they are vowels. So the first uppercase vowel must be replaced with E. So the last two characters become E. So this is our string. So this is how our string would be looking after updating all the characters as per the conditions given in the question. So let us check it with our expected output. So both are same. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. In today's daily challenge, our task is only to implement this function replaceByFirstOccuring. So this function is of return type void and it accepts a character array in its arguments. So before seeing this function, we shall see this function is vowel. So this is another function which we have defined for our convenience. So this function accepts a character in its arguments and returns 1 if the character is a vowel, else this function returns 0. So the function first converts the character into its lowercase and then I am checking whether the character is equal to either A, E, I, O or U, and if any of this condition is satisfied, then the particular character is a vowel. So if character is equal to either A, E, I, O or U, I am returning 1, else I am returning 0. So this is how this function works. Now let us see how this function replaceByFirstOccuring is implemented. So first I am creating 5 characters named first digit and then first lower consonant, first lower vowel, first upper con and then first upper vowel. So this con represents consonant and this VOW represents vowel. So first we have to find all these 5 characters present in the string str. So to do that we have to iterate through the character array str, and before that I am assigning all of these characters as hyphen because we don't know what are the characters. So initially if the character is not found, I am setting it as hyphen. So now we shall iterate through the character array str. So to iterate, I am creating a loop that iterates from 0 till the string length of str, and in every iteration we are checking the characters. So in the first if condition, I am checking whether the character is a digit. So if the character is a digit and the character which we created named first digit is also equal to hyphen, it means that the first digit is not found yet. So the first occurring digit would be stored in this character first digit. So if the character is a digit and the first digit is equal to hyphen, then that is the first occurring digit. So we store the character in the character named first digit. So in the next iteration, even though if it is a digit, the first digit will not be equal to hyphen, it will be some digit. So the character would not be replaced. So we will be able to obtain the first digit correctly. So this is for digit. Similarly, we should find for all the remaining 4 characters. So we should find the first lowercase vowel and lowercase consonant. So in the else if condition, I am checking whether the character is a lowercase or not. So if the character is a lowercase, then I am going to check whether it is a vowel or not. So in the else if condition, I am checking whether if it is vowel. So if it is vowel and the first lowercase vowel is equal to hyphen, it means that the first lowercase vowel is not found yet. So I will be storing the character in the character named first lower vowel if this if condition is satisfied. Similarly, the consonant. So if it is not vowel, it is a consonant. So I am including a exclamatory symbol in the front. So it means not. So if the character is not a vowel and the first lower consonant is equal to hyphen, then we will store the character into this character named first lower con. So This is how we will be finding all the first occurrences. Similarly, if the character is a uppercase, again we will be checking whether it is a vowel and the first upper vowel is equal to hyphen. So if the if condition is satisfied, then we will store the character into first upper vowel. Similarly, for the first uppercase consonant. So after iterating through all the characters present in the character array, we would have found all these 5 characters. So now we have to replace the characters as per the conditions given in the question. So after this for loop, again I am creating a for loop. So again we will be iterating through the character array str. And in every iteration, as per the conditions given in the question, we will update the characters of the string str. So it is given in the question that if the character is a digit, it must be replaced with the first occurring digit. If the character is a lowercase consonant, it must be replaced with the first occurring lowercase consonant. Similarly for all the remaining characters. So if it is a consonant and it is lowercase, it must be replaced with the first occurring lowercase consonant. So in every iteration of this for loop, first I am checking whether the character is a digit. So if this condition is satisfied, then I am setting the character as the first digit. So I will be replacing the character present in the str with the first digit. So the characters will be replaced with the first occurring digit. And then in the next if condition, I am checking whether the character is a lowercase and it is consonant. So for consonant I am using not vowel. So if the character is not vowel, it is a consonant. So if it is lowercase and it is a consonant, then the character must be replaced with the first lowercase consonant. So I am setting str of I is equal to first lowercase consonant. And then in the next if condition, if it is lowercase and it is vowel, then it should be replaced with the first lowercase vowel. So str of I is equal to first lowercase vowel. And then if it is upper and a consonant, then I am replacing the character with the first uppercase consonant. And if it is upper and it is a vowel, then the character must be replaced with the first uppercase. So I am setting str of I is equal to first uppercase vowel. So when we do like this, our character array str would be updated as per the conditions given in the question. So finally, when we print this character array str in our main function, we get correct output. So now let us check our program with sample test cases. So now I have given the sample input 1 and this is our expected output. So we also get the correct output. And now I am giving the sample input 2 and this is our expected output. So again we get the correct output. And now let me give the sample input 3. So our expected output is here. So we also get the correct output. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.